The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Isawanda Laloo, had launched the book titled Children at Risk, a study conducted in Shillong Urban Agglomeration that is published by the Reach Shillong Ministry. The program that was held on 26 May 2022 witnessed the presence of members of the ministry that included its president, Rev R G Laloo, children of the Lawei Baphyrnai Group Foster Home for Girls and Open Day Shelter Iew Mawlong, researcher Dr. Melarishisha Nongrum, the District Child Protection Officer L Warjri, invitees and others. The intention of this study is to influence policy formulation in the state of Meghalaya for the welfare of children at risk. The study has been supported by the District Child Protection Unit East Khasi Hills under the leadership of District Child Protection Officer L Warjri. Speaking during the book launch, the chief guest on the occasion, Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Isawanda Laloo, lauded the effort of Dr. Melarishisha Nongrum on providing a study on children at risk, which is detailed in all aspects and with specific data in place. The robust research methodology, scientific methods used in the survey have resulted in clear recommendations on findings through such analysis, added Laloo. She further said that the state government intends to support these particular child care institutions in helping the vulnerable lot avail of facilities that would be conducive to the overall growth and development of each child.
Kawai nakibahmat tang kalong kumno nginla ban pinsngan kumno panginla ban aya ka environment kabalong conducive lani kababha kababet nakabenta kikna kibalong haktim pareng on the most vulnerable sections of society kikna kidei kibadang don hapading kajing he kajing san kibadon inongno kibampat yo ya kata ka majority kaba full haga met kaphat ka jongki bat kumjuru haga jingwajing berkat ka jongki kidang don hapadeng kata ka growth ka bangiong kumjuru kidang telot bor tikilong kita ki bangiong ki vulnerable sections of society take away na ki goals ka way na ki objective ki jok ka jongi kum ka sarkar bat kum ki departments ki prepare ki long ba ngin la ban aya ka environment ka ecosystem ka babiang na kabenta ki khna na dong shadong na do ka puli ka puthi ka jongki ka kot ka khya ka jongki ka jingnang jing start ka jongki ka jing millen jongki ha ki games ki sports ki activity ki prepare khnang ba kan yo e ka all round development la ne ka jing nginong no ka jing khya krat bat bakin san ha baro ki berita nitip kumbala ong mene ba kumba 100% Saupo na kasispa jong kinong shong hagari India jong ibaro kuway kidei ki khna ki badang hapo khat pras nem karata banong 0 to 18 years population kilong kidon ki kenthuk 100% jong total jong kinong shong ha kari ka jong ka ni ka percentage ka high ba ka bamut ba git sem ki banang wan ru le sekin nang pun shu but kumta ni don kam ban pinthikna ba kino ki development ki bangiong lani ki intervention ki bingi ay na ki por kin long ki ba bo kerpang ki khna hapdeng ki khna baro nitip shai bawat haga city haga jila ka jongi bat haga nongba ka jongi ru ki don ki khna ki bangiong children at risk ki khna ki badon hapdeng ki jinjinja hapdeng no ki vulnerabilities ki ba pher minne la cher kerteng ni Dr. Nongrum ha ba ni la penpau ha ka study ka jong I ka ba ila le tang ha pedeng kumba hapo san spa mu ki khna ru la lap badon bun na pedeng jong ki badon ha pedeng ki long yeng ki ba pat ki ba pra lani ki badon ha pedeng ka jinduk ki ba don shu ha school ha ka jingpule ki ba long out of school kum bagi khot ha ka ba ki mi ki ba jong ki le se ki ya shong shu ka way ka point ka ba mi ka dei ba kumba 100% na ki khna ki shong tang bat ki kmi ki jong ki kaba pencil thu yangi ba let's say kidei ki broken families ba ki long pa kim shong shu kim acknowledge shu kim don shu hari yang kasem ban pet ban sumar sukhere ki